Well, guys, we just got a new truck here. It's a Ford truck. I'm not quite sure of the year. I know it's somewhere in the 80s. I'll check real quick here. Not on the doors there. Got a replacement hood in the bed. Not seeing anything on the doors, guys. This says custom F100. The other one doesn't say anything on it, so I'm not sure which one is right and which one's a replacement. I know we got two flat tires, but the brakes on that wheel's locked up, and can't push it, and we took it off the trailer too soon. Didn't realize we had to pump it up. Yeah, pretty bad in here. Haven't quite figured out how to get the seat back yet, so I don't know what's back there yet. Dash right there says custom. Radio's out. There's a speedometer. It says 31,192 miles. I know the engine's rebuilt, so it has a whole lot less than that. No key, but it'll still start up before we took it. The guy started it up, put a battery in, started up. See if I can get a shot of the engine here. Sorry if it's dark. It's just my camera isn't good at night. It's getting pretty late out. Yeah, you guys can't really see in there. I'll try to get a better video, better shot of it tomorrow. Not sure what engine it has. That's the only sticker I see under the hood. Bumper's bent. Can't really tell now. See, that's why the replacement hood's there. And that's just falling apart. Not really sure if Chuck's worth it yet, but hopefully it is. It looks like it is. We just don't know what problems we haven't found yet. Yeah, like I said, I'm not quite sure on the year, but I'll figure that out, and I'll keep you guys updated on this truck. If we repaint it, we're probably just going to do white like it is now. Back bumper's dented in there too. Supposedly the guy got in some sort of collision in the front end here. But overall, it's an okay truck for what we got it for. As long as we can get it pass inspection, take care of some of this rust. See that right there? 5 of 2,000. Let's show the 5 of 2,000 on the license plate. I don't know if you can see underneath here. No. Alright, well, that's the truck. Some of the boards in the bed there are rotten out. So this is going to be a project truck we got here. And we'll just see what we can do with it. Hopefully it's worth it. I'd sure like to see this truck on the road again. Alright, comment, say what you think about the truck. And thanks for watching. There will be more to come.